I'm coming, wait for me. Wow. I'm happy here. When I was a child, I was a big fan of Harry Potter. When the movies already finished, they opened a museum in London. I mean, in England, it's like close to London. And I was like, I want to go there. I need to go there. This is the place where I need to go. Whatever it takes, I need to go. So now it's already here. I'm in London and I'm going to the station. Where is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter? See you there. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. Look, it's already here. We're not there, but it shows go there, go there.
Black magic. Are you well prepared? I see.
Yes, I prepared my and also I have a cloak. I will wear it later.
Oh yeah, silent.
Scholar. So cool.
I'm a wizard, Harry.
Where is your wizard wand?
I will buy a wand today. This is our bus? This is our bus? This is our bus, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. Wow. Wow. I'm going to the bus.
Did you take a letter from the owl? You have it.
I think it's in Ukraine.
So what are you going to do there? They will not allow you to come and study.
I will get another one.
Do you think it is that easy?
Yes, because I already had this letter. I am in the list.
So it's not like between muggles, so
Yes.
formal stuff and everything.
Yes, it's not like that. You think Harry Potter took the letter to Hogwarts? No.
I don't know. Otherwise they will refuse to come in.
No, you can't. You need to take this ticket to go to the train, by the way. But we don't go by train, we go by bus. So we broke the rules. It's close. We are here, I see it.
Hello darling, how are you?
I'm good. I like your makeup.
Colours?
Look at this.
Yes, that'll be the left-hand lane for me.
How are you? You were crying in previous.
Yes, I were crying when I saw the doors which is going inside the common room. This is the moving stairs. This is the clock. It was on the entrance in Hogwarts, and also every 1 hour it was ding. I can't do it now. This is the mirror. This is the mirror where you can see your dreams. I already here. This is my dream. Dumbledore told that if you see in the mirror only yourself, it means you are happy. It means you have everything.
The happiest man on earth would look into the mirror and see only himself, exactly as he is.
You're happy in this mirror.
It was like a place where they discussed everything. This is the place where Dumbledore lived his thoughts, not to forget it, because he is very old and he needed to put it inside, and then he can take it and remember the time. Just imagine how many details are here.
The whole thing has a magical sort of shininess and glinting in the dark, suitable for approaching this castle.
Do you know what is this? Do you remember? This is the potion. If you will drink it, you will be lucky all day. Up! Down! When you are going to your caves and you want to open it, you are going down in the caves and you see the goblins, they are going with you to open your door. This one is the bike of Hagrid. Wow. Wow. This is how magic works. And he's answering you. Oh my God, we are on the platform. Let's go to Hogwarts. I can't believe I'm here. It's my train. I'm coming, wait for me. Please open. There is here, it's here.
Walking this way.
No, it's closed. No, don't go without me. You know that the music is like when he chose the wand. Voldemort. This is the most powerful wand in the magic history. No. This is Harry Potter wand. This one. It's heavy. I like that it's heavy. And this is Hermione Granger's. This one. I will take this one. I am smart like Hermione. She likes to learn, she likes to study. I also like to study. Let's take it.
You took it right.
Yeah, I feel it's mine. And also this one. This is every flavor beans, but real one, not from AliExpress. So I will take it also. Who is happy here? I'm happy here. I think that I want to be here as a student who is going to Hogwarts. And I know I want to see not green screen, I want to see the views of fields and trees. Are you ready to try butterbeer?
Yeah.
Cheers for this day. What? The taste is...
Why do they have it only in Harry Potter? It's so tasty. Like, no one copied it yet.
Bus. And then from this stage on, we start the sculpting process, warts, and then that falls into the crease.
I want to get my key, please.
Seamlessly joined together.
Wow.
confidence I can to those columns also and manufactured from a mold but also unique.
This is philosophy stone there.
Electronic scissor ribs, and each scissor rib had a
It's so real. This is the place where they buy wands, animals, books, and this one is the shop of Weasley. Wow.
It was in the movie?
Yeah. Oh my God. Imagine how many days, months they did, like they spent to did it.
It's another color right now.
Yes, it's green.
Maybe daytime is coming.
Hogwarts Castle. Nothing. Or no, there is. It's like that.
Wow.
This is exclusive ones. They are different. This one is Ukrainian Iron Belly. This is the dragon from Ukraine.
Wow.
Do you want it?
Yes, I want it.
Let's take for you. This won't choose you.
It's gonna be my one.
Exclusive design collection.
Ukrainian Iron Belly.